Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. I wasn't really planning on filming traditional art or traditional anything until my setup is more or less finished so I can have good quality footage, because now I'm starting to care more about that. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but whatever. But I went to SpiritSai a while ago, which is a nice art store here in Canada. It's if you don't have a little niche one, don't go to Michael's, go to SpiritSai, because they've got the good shit, and it's not as insanely expensive as Michael's somehow manages to be. But anyway, I was there for clay stuff. I wanted some sparkly Fimo clay because I was feeling it. I wanted to try it. But I saw this brush display near the cash, and whenever I see a random brush display of some brand of brushes that I don't recognize, because you got your big boys that are usually very expensive, so when I see an opportunity to get a little bit of a cheaper brush, I go for that. But yeah, I saw the bottom, the largest one. It was super cheap. This is the cheapest big brush I've ever seen, and I'm not a brush expert. I don't really know what's good or bad. I mean, I guess as long as the hairs don't fall out, it's fine with me. And this brush holds a ton of water. It's very nice. I'm not sure if it's synthetic or, I mean, it has to be synthetic. It was so cheap. But yeah, anyway, I saw that brush and I didn't have a Sunday video, so I was well, I feel like playing with the brush and I need a Sunday video, so I might as well paint. So that's what I did. It's just a little random boy, a little water dragon boy. He's not perfect. I know it looks like I used really bougie art supplies to sketch, but I don't really do full paintings often, so I never get to use my fun art supplies. So yeah, I used one of those thick boards that I picked up a little while ago last time I was in Arizona, and just went to town, and it was very fun, I gotta say. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.